Today we have a frequency counter. It's a kit build type. I have built this using buying it from a kit, a frequency counter kit, and it's written as a frequency counter and as a crystal tester. So it has two purposes, which is it can be used as a frequency counter and as well as as a crystal tester. So this is a peak based frequency counter, and the display is a 7 segment LCD display. As one, two, three, four, five. Five LCD displays are it is given, and the other components in this board, other than the PIC IC, we have the 20 megahertz crystal oscillator, and we have a variable capacitor to adjust the frequency. This is the micro switch, push button switch. Then we have few passive components, few resistors and capacitors, and this is a voltage regulator IC, and this is the input signal input, the ground and the signal line, and this is the power input and just given through a jack. So these are the basic setup here, basic the details of this frequency counter. It can measure a frequency from one, it states that from 1 hertz to 50 megahertz. So that is a frequency range that it can measure. So we also have here a Hartley oscillator. This is a Hartley oscillator. This is the oscillator stage, and we also have 3 amplifier stages. It's an all it is a broadband. It is arranged, all those transistors are arranged in a broadband mode. It can amplify frequencies from the lower frequency to up to 50 megahertz. It's wired in a broadband mode, so it has a higher bandwidth of amplification. And this is the power socket here. So I just connect the frequency counter, and we have the signal input line given here. This is the ground line. This is the signal input power line. Signal input line. So just put the power. So you can see showing the LED, the counter is on. So now I'll connect the power jack here. So we have given a oscillator coil, which is it is in the lowest frequency range. It shows in this coil it can give a lowest frequency range of 3 megahertz, 3.25 megahertz. So I can change. This is a variable capacitor. I can change it to a higher value up to 8 megahertz. I can adjust up to 8 megahertz. From 3.25 to up to 8.4749 megahertz. So now I'll just take out the oscillator coil and use another coil. So the lowest frequency here, it is 4 megahertz. The lowest frequency, it shows the 4 megahertz range. Then we can increase the frequency up to 9 till 10 megahertz. Up to 10 megahertz. I have arranged this the series of capacitors to adjust the power level. You can also use a potentiometer to adjust the power, but here I am using a three coupling capacitors with different values. So it's almost around 10 megahertz up to 10 megahertz. 4.198. And 10 megahertz. 10 megahertz. So I'll just hook another coil. So here it's the lowest frequency range is 8.47. We'll raise the frequency up to adjust the output here. 8, 9, 8 megahertz, 9 megahertz, 10 megahertz, 11 megahertz, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, up to 23 megahertz. I can go up to 23 megahertz. So this is how this frequency counter works. So I can reduce it to 8 megahertz. So from 8 megahertz you can raise the frequency up to 23 megahertz. So this is how this frequency counter works. Okay, you can also try this kit build and get results. So thank you.